All right, folks, here I go again with another beautiful 2015 Dodge Charger police pursuit vehicle. 5.7 HEMI engine, all-wheel drive, original navy blue from factory, former highway patrol vehicle from Portland, Oregon. State Trooper highway patrol vehicle from Portland, Oregon. The vehicle is super clean. Vehicle has been completely reconditioned inside out, and she is turnkey ready to go. Original navy blue from factory, so the vehicle is blue by day and black by night. Vehicle has been completely reconditioned, completely detailed. All the services have been done, and he's got a few extra things on it. He does have a fresh new window tint. The old window tint that the car came with, it wasn't good, so I had that removed, and I had the window tints reconditioned. That is 20% all around. The paint on the vehicle looks super sharp, very shiny, folks, very shiny. It's got a few things, but nothing major to worry about. Everything does work, and once again, folks, everything was reconditioned on this vehicle. I do have one antenna on the trunk lid, solid. It's not going anywhere, so if you need to drive your car through the express car wash, that antenna is going to stay in place, and it's not going anywhere. Before I forget, folks, I got to tell you that the rear bumper cover was repainted due to scrapes and damages on the left side of the bumper from when they were removing the stickers or decals. It was damaged right there, so I ordered my paint shop to go ahead and do the front rear bumper, and we also painted the roof. All right, I'm saying that right now before I forget, because I know I'm gonna get out of hand. There's so much to cover in each and every car that comes through here that I try to retain as much as I can and in my little microwave memory. Let me stop right here, folks. I got to tell you, I do have brand new brakes and rotors all around on this vehicle by Posse Quiet. Posse Quiet is what I use. I prefer to use that brand because it's a little bit of more stopping power, and they are quiet. I hate noise. I got a pet peeve for brake noise. Once again, folks, everything does work. All right, front bumper cover has been painted. Folks, the whole car looks gorgeous. I'm telling you, it looks gorgeous. Let's go to the roof. The reason why I had the roof painted was because I had holes right here in the front. I didn't like the setup on the hole, so I couldn't put antennas on something like that. It looked ugly. In a nutshell, it looked ugly. So guess what, folks? I had the whole roof repainted. On top of that, my detail crew came in. They polished the whole vehicle. They clay it. They waxed it. They did everything they could, and the results are amazing. They brought the vehicle back to life. Let's go inside real quick. Folks, I do have a I do have a new used rear seat. All seatbelts and buckles are in place. When the car first arrived, he had the hard plastic seat. I'm not gonna sell it like that, so I went out, called a few of my sources, and I got the rear seat set up, everything complete, vinyl floor, folks. Also the rear doors, I did have the rear doors reassembled with the door locks and kits. Now this is a for this particular vehicle, for the Chargers, this is a $500 deal to do both doors. A lot more work and a lot more parts to reassemble the doors to get them to work. So yeah, rear windows are fully functional from inside of the vehicle, and your passengers are able to get out without you having to open the door. So yes, the whole setup on the back has been done. Is new parts and used parts. All right, here you go. Once again, this is going to be a 2015 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive. Driver's side seat is in perfect shape, nice and comfortable. I do have a new use after correction OEM center console. That is an OEM center console that I bought with my contact that had the rear seat. So I wanted to give this car a different look, and she's got some good money, let me tell you. As you guys can see, I do have 4 working key fobs with new batteries. This is what came with the car. You're gonna take this with the car. Perfect dash, no holes. Perfect steering wheel. There you go, folks. Perfect steering wheel. I do have a new use LED bulb. When the car got here, there was nothing in place, so we had to put everything back in place. Take a let's do work. This is the map lights. Once again, this piece was not here, but you know, I got it done. My guy that I buy my charger parts from, he pretty much has everything I need. So red LED, white LED, and hopefully a neighbor doesn't have to leave right now. There he goes to shoot if he does. Let's fire her up and let's see if he's leaving or not. I hope he doesn't. Pressure lights are off. The vehicle does have 133,000 miles, folks. 133,000 miles. Stay tuned. I got a lot more to talk to you guys about on this vehicle. Honk does work. Original equipment aftermarket. Correction. Original equipment center console. I'm losing my train of thought here. I see neighbor moving and I get nervous. For that I do apologize, folks. Let me pick up the pace here. That completely throws me off. You do have a full spare tire kit in the trunk with this aluminum slide out table that comes out this way. So this came with the car. It's gonna go with the car. I'm not removing anything out. So here it is. Let's go under the hood of the vehicle. Vinyl floor, folks. Vinyl floor is nice and intact. No tears, no rips. The paint looks gorgeous. Oh yeah. Look at those new rotors. Wow. New positive quiet brakes and rotors all around. Alright, folks, once again, before I forget, when I first purchased the vehicle, I bought it knowing that it had a bad engine. Alright, I'm not gonna lie, the vehicle did have a bad engine. I had one on standby to use, so I pulled the trigger, I bought it. So with that being said, you do have a brand new air filter. Throttle body was serviced and cleaned out. I did perform a BG fuel system treatment on this vehicle as well, on this engine, to clean out the gunk out of the fuel lines. I do have 16 Champion irradiant spark plugs on this particular unit here. Fresh full synthetic 520 oil service. Transmission was serviced. We did use ATF4 by Mopar fluid and filter. Air conditioner was also serviced. Once we disconnect the engine, the air conditioner has to be disassembled as well, so we had to vacuum everything out. So yes, you do have fresh Freon in that compressor. Brand new cabin filter. Battery was holding, so I didn't have to replace the battery. What else am I forgetting? Brakes and rotors all around. So yes, it's got a brand new it's got a new use engine. This particular engine, I believe it had 50,000 miles, and it came from LKQ. For those that want to know where they came from, so LKQ, I bought it, had it delivered, and we did all the works on it. The vehicle drives perfectly, and she's nice and strong as she should be. Alright, I don't think I'm forgetting anything else here. I think I got everything covered on this beautiful 2015 Dodge Charger, folks. Folks, if you see something you like, please do not hesitate to give me a call or text me. You know, I'm willing to help you out if I can with any of my vehicles. You know, some of you guys know that these bad boys are expensive, and they get even more expensive when we had to put an engine on it, which is never less than $5,000. All right, folks, this is the one last final look for this particular 2015 Dodge Charger 5.7 HEMI all-wheel drive. All right, folks, once again, vehicle has been fully reconditioned with a new used engine with 50,000 miles. And I did forget to tell you that the vehicle also does have 2 gallons of fully concentrated Mopar coolant. Along with that came a thermostat and gasket. That completes everything. Folks, this is the Crown Victoria guy signing off. You guys stay safe out there and have a great weekend. Thank you for watching. God bless. See you guys around.